everyone, welcome to my channel. What to do every day for breakfast is the question most of us are facing. Here is one of the instant breakfast recipe using puffed rice. Yes, it is a puffed rice dosa. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications. This puffed rice is readily available in any Indian store. I have taken 4 cups of puffed rice. I am transferring this puffed rice to a mixie jar and grinding it to make a fine powder. It takes only few seconds to make a fine powder. For this, I am adding 2 cups of semolina or fine sooji, which is also easily available in Indian grocery store. Add 2 cups of fine sooji to the same mixie jar and blend it so it blends well and makes a fine powder. See, for this fine powder, we will add 1 cup of yogurt and 2 cups of water and blend together to make a paste. For this, we will add 2 more cups of water. That is, for 4 cups of puffed rice, I am adding 4 cups of water and blend to make a fine paste. Let's transfer to the container. The paste should be very smooth and fine. If the consistency is thick, add little bit water. The consistency should be in the ladle. It should stick to the ladle. That is the perfect consistency. Close the lid and leave for 15 minutes. Our perfect batter is ready. Add salt to taste and mix it well. It's time to make dosa. On the pan, add 1 ladle spoon full of batter and keep spreading it. You can make as thick or as thin as you want. Add little oil, ghee or butter based on your preference. I add little bit of ghee as it enhances the taste. Once it is little golden brown, flip the dosa and cook for 30 seconds on the other side too. Our tasty, delicious, beautiful dosa is ready. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Let's make one more dosa. In the morning hustle bustle, this takes only 20 minutes to make the fresh instant dosa, and kids will love it. Since we have added the yogurt, it stays, see how soft it is, and it stays soft for longer time, and it is ideal to send for lunch dabbas also, and goes very well with coconut or peanut chutney. You can make it soft or crispy, whichever way you like. And please do try. This is very tasty, very instant and fresh dosa. You can make just in 20 minutes and doesn't need lot of ingredients also. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Everyone, be happy, be safe and be healthy. Take care.